IGC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie, the Tazan hot news, and Kwa Eramide Bremon. Anunti, so we subscribe to the channel. Bomodia say, over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say, over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We understand video be upload when the first person out with Sabeka a video. I feel Uviana will like video. Give us a thumbs up. I feel share my offer so now when you be here. Now we will add someone and also air will Ghana Memohano. I think you add someone so a year lawyer Morris Ampaw what they a summer to the evening and Asante Bediatuo rumor, a death wish, a mouthful edited to the year body with Tony and day. Then on a year lawyer Morris Ampaw about team Eddie and some up to say one able a year Asante Bediatuo and do or the a year Captain Smart in some Mauka Betuga. I wish if Rata so. Saso and what is a year Gabby asare otchere or the Kokobon Samamano are to be Eddie Amaneno. Now what they accept to go Nara Atuya. And then the you could see a year lawyer Morris Ampaw in some of the 2 year 5 year the day to a root to whom some material.
We should be dead no. At the same time, no. Let me also talk about Nipa Bakwa. Nipa Miensa, Mwasema bedani problem about Memu. Why are 3 people trending? Now I say Obiaka Wansem. We have Bediatuo. We have Ofori Atta. And then Gabby darko. Ade. We are seeing say we subambid na MPP. You true me cat. A man for a bread. Edi danado ichi 208. You
are watching Juicy News 12, on YouTube. Hot news 16. All time.
Not to me by ya. Na because of my privilege, I'm war and I'm obeying. Na don't know. Na man dream, money ye. I created bigger dissatisfaction. But you two near me be out. We ye access. Executive Secretary, you have been paid back to you, and you will. But you see, say the Nado fee abemu, now Bawumia be taking play over. Obi say Bediatuo, me person even who presidency no car. Bediatuo. Bawumia be pamu tsako. Boss, musuni mo banya mo de tra Flaster House mo. E be dimuchi. But minus Bawumia and MPP. MPP party is bigger than Bediatuo. What do I say? Mo jẹ́ any money maybe a mo yetia party members and be mo fu so mo to aba party members mo come to mo yem Bediatuo oko aka 2 months onu kra na do abutu no kra ye abazara Blást leave them alone, let them go with their problems. Don't wish anybody. Mama wish Bediatuo owo ni yare that be mon call the problems. I mean dealing with one. And it's a year secretary. Now tell a bobra pa ay jumadin any only human relationship the way you related to party members and the way you had the office no. E be di wechi. Entibinia MPP bi ni biara Bediatuo etewo either in West or indeed other ne dishes be take against you any maybe oye osisi bi osisi wo any sube bi ode di bia no munyemu na nyame ni ndile na meslew party no Bawumia nidimu boss Bawumia enidimu Bediatuo eko ena oba Ken Ofori Atta nso as a finance minister no bibia oye bia ti obi decision bia oye take ya eye self-centered eye bibia for the national interest any kwamfa so a mo handle office as a finance minister bia no edimunim munuma pa bedimuchi akwa hudiemu but and this MPP have nothing to do with you people and mu bia mo beta na nado ho a mo di nsemfu no mo ko yam pamoni ma hwe monko Bawumia ba obesua aye nyame yi nipa ye mobo nipa nse hwio na de eji mu abrabomu de be ye ne ye eji wo abrabomu enye bia kra no everyday bia yewu everyday bia yewu true na ye dapa ye ko ye da ye nim de esi wo wiase o ye da ye nka ye bibia je se ye nya ne ye wu enti da o mo ka se uni mo wu ahwe na wenemri Ghana ha ko social media led by Captain Smart and we bewu and we ebede na bu amamu ka bi ntelamo amanfo wo e bo bi bo butuo ayomo de and ya de mono and obewu sebi what dream your form like Captain Smart in him na ni pedua odigi da kono Captain metuma wo no Captain Smart oh my first born no na onim na wieye Captain nim na wieye bo mamu no ene ka bintela mu a ene sabi no matter how upo biasem ene Bediatuo mu ene yare obewu ne yare ye nkofu bi de ena baby finance minister oh also be call ena Gabby mu ena die otchere ni mu nia no aya mafo de obsadon mu so omu ena obekọ ena opam wo so oh oye mebe odia ena mekun mebe odia osofo obodua no kum nipa oh Jesus Christ opam body obitumi obi wuka na de say na nyame so ma ba ono de osofo a okunkun krofo na odigi fans odigi two as if ono de on wuda as if the jiri wuda as if the man wuda as if the church members wuda as if the dafu being wuda hey producer what Captain Smart the tape no we are bo we finna say opan bo so tape ni the American no am for ehwe na fe na me wi a me dress o mo yie bo mami aboni ben de nkwa na ehwe wo wi ase yasi ki twe bi aye ba jeleni mi no wo ba ni wo ba hwe wo ye fi o no wo ya no mini to be abe woni ben na wewu ana wewu na obi ayare yi obi de obi yare na yi obi de yare ento da mi da mi anu se omo so yare o obi eni wo Ghana ha wo yare ye bi mu yare huhum yare ye bi mu na mu yare mo yare BP na mu no mo Kwabena say yare kiti mo be ma kra nya adwuma bo mama
I told you about 1 month ago say owuo bi besisi Ghana wo Asante Bediatuo or the Owusu Ken Ofori Atta or the Owusu Bompa Ema Ken Ofori Atta. I told you about 1 month ago say owuo bi besisi Ghana wo Asante Bediatuo or the Owusu Ken Ofori Atta or the Owusu Bompa Ema Ken Ofori Atta. I told you about 1 month ago say owuo bi besisi Ghana wo Asante Bediatuo or the Owusu Ken Ofori Atta or the Owusu
Smart baby also in journalism say you can smart to a journalist so say me ni baby you go for smart by ni ma meeting come na ono de on we shi ni ma me der ni ma me abrewa do on we shi ni der too na of na we bewu na be wewu na Captain Smart o managers and o board members Mrs. Ajimamu motisi ho and ahoy mo kwa mo nyinyi ahoy we ahoy mo no general media general na shop opambo so
ya pani say platform sesa wo kase jame awade makase wa mabunu wa busu nyina matoba me na me ka tawo dia so was mama the dollar show mo jare so won top that Jesus wo ya pema no dia duare so kase jame wo ya pipi na duare so kase jame awade Abraham kasenti a obi amaka dia awade aka kire me but obi bia da obetima Miriam ya kasenti a Abraham kasenti a wo I will tell you, remember, I will not go to me in the city. Jesus. Who you pediano? Said dollar man, a coming from America, Pascal from Gomunda.
We are so your software. Or software. No, my castle. And I make castle. Na o castle na unya den. Opambo. O castle no na unya den fimu. Ede na ebrewo. Ebrewo sika. It's sad. And I make castle na nipa ni wu ana enti den. Oko heavy na nyame bisa obofo repo opambo enti wo ti ho na o kese no se nyame pa na o somro no na ye sa nyame pa na oboso na asase na bible na ukura no da ti bi uwu na akọ na nyame bisa se opambo say ye unyuma ne say so nyame me de me bae no apart from say bomure mu nsu na me ton no ani nkosua kokọ no na me ma kese manfo ekuma manfo ense unyuma no revelation say ishirani ewufu a obowo resu di mu every pimpering recall na huhum ni say you na omehumi efi omobre mu na omunyuma pa ento pambo unyuma pa ne say wo de cases unyuma pa ne say wo de wo be wiase no na case na mekun na me case we say e ka unyuma no na mekun na ka dispa di already oba manfo wotuo on time na busua on time ho sanko forecast omewu no omewu na aba. And so what? Sabi ni petit tu enwu o maimu yenti Ghana ha na fuzamas ewuye wono ko city president
juicy news on YouTube.
It is
news all time.
we will say Ofori Atta we mu kwa de ne wo JJ kra na ode Ghana ebesi ho NDC kra no besi ho no I no support no kroko ababuti to omko oni ne wo enim obi ni mo bi shebre no be nim da obi be fimu captain me reho na nya wo pewo ba be blame media genu afo no mo start say mo so mo ko ba ko a number one say sa case na their captain wishing man kofo no and it media general na mo so kunkum mo general board members no mo start so mo so obo amafo di no and we be ko na mo so start British adjuma and the woman and we bush afro start so wu ba ko na fere I start Kwame Ahoy ni mo bush afro wu ba ko na media general for no mo start see wu a na mo hu say yes no ye fa wo ensusu nipa ye ka tin o se nkwa o dey say tima ye sre nkwa ye sre wo na katisma die ne ho mobo na brabo no obo no em say that you wu a oda ho a nyuma ebedi ne chi no nyuma ateni de bedi de chi intro bedi de chi beisam bedi ne chi when I say yemu ade ne bedi ne chi when I say gandam ne bedi ne chi enya gandam pe o efe so no krono ene epobo nyama bedi captain smart de chi no nyama bedi de chi no esa say nyama captain smart ye nia nyama captain smart e akizu amafo nia no ye bi ni kasa okra no erata motos politicians omoto ma eminia no o di asa no politicians dabra moto man no evidence ayewo ewo homo no nema captain smart e akizu obia no o akizu of corruption no corrupt o akizu obi of ma so obi di obada ono so ni ma da o akizu obi of when they say nepotism oh yeah everything that captain smart talks about now adiba ko ye me ya ne ye ba ko bia na onwoni President Addo say Nanado ye bema onjeli galamsey for bakope Nanado ye bema onjeli galamsey for bakope na ko behu kind smart Nanado need the power of the jail But some of us will advise ourselves. We'll take you to court. Look, it's high time I say cited can be smart for contempt of court. Any media general for. What I say, yes, cited can be smart for contempt. Then the media general board members and British Ajimamono Ekahua. Now what said the entire case pending with court. Ye diasem. Now who threaten say president no indirectly no the judiciary will be judge people on daily. And you know what you are doing, that you are undermining the authority of the judiciary, and at the same time you want to interfere with the trial. Until we test the law, count is smart. We will test the law. When you are served with contempt of court, don't be surprised. Media general for no, you mobile salary bako. Mobile send a muntie for call na omuko facing you. You say the omuko facing contempt charges. Was case for quarter. Want to be transferred and can say present pa. Or you to me indirectly no, you are trying to say that judge not take so. So your bema on jail obi. Indirectly it's contempt of court. Case na judge not take case no so. O threaten say o jail obi abibesi. Indirectly that's what you are trying to say. And it's contempt of court. So that one will be dealt with. Na nipa bakwa me deal me person me tackle pa ye Gabby otchere darko. Baby Gabby otchere darko obi ano. Mon can't say when you miss call from Rambo and Ampaw. Gabby otchere darko. Gabby otchere darko enya miss call. Na some miss call no. Me ton me program yama ban helba 9:50 to 9. So time no munko nya ni Gabby otchere darko. Baby wo bia no. Say we nya miss call. Lawyer Ampaw ebe deal with honor. Na menye na dwen say me kasa wi a obefre obi afre me so one me kasa. Because me kan no kware akire no. Me kan no kware akire no. Na me kan nia oti a untumi nda. Oti ahye. Nti mu a mu benga be otchere darko agade mo chirako person secretary. Me ba office. Any mo office phone nia, mo law office phone nia na Gabriel otchere yere ni bu nia no. Me kwaba. Nti no mum tedi na me ba me di Gabriel otchere darko mu djuma papa. Nti asase radio for no bloggers mo nya ready because a news item. Na go beside any MPP be obe frame me and obe text me. Me ji ma home me 10 minutes abeko bad mo bia frame me. O frame me peke. What they see me, I mean, few. They are making. It is for more penny so. Bloggers, my ready. The Ami Wama Gabby Agyarko is simple. I think, say, is a senior lawyer, almost 61 years, 62 years, sir. You won't know. I am law wa bruchri and a Ghana. I born a black baby. Will contribute to the growth of African businesses. Gabby Shah said, Gabby, any old man, Gabby, any abofra. The parents are contribute to Dankwa Buzia tradition. And the Gabby himself, Nakasano, a lawyer near between Wabuchi, with a master's degree. T Dankwa Institute. A support to party no in diverse ways. Be a law firm. A support to NAPO campaign. Aye juma thing. It kudos to Gabby otchere darko on that score. But Gabby, the reason why I have beef with you is that Friday I came to Honeysuckle area. And you remember 2012, when you move be power man and Addo no. Who Gabby Agyapong darko use some of us Dankwa Institute. So that time I took the unpopular judgments, and some of us became the MC, lead critics of Justice Atuba, and we all done our best. Since Nana Doba power, I've never encountered you in any way. Me mbaye would that. Me mfre would that. Me meeti would that. But you know me, I know you. I admire you from afar. But for me to come to any circle after doing everything, so that is my opinion, Gabby. A lawyer of my caliber, extant sympathizer of MPP. You have engaged me on that institute. Na me come in near her Akoto one office, try her for 3 hours, refused to see me. Secretary no, when they said because see you over here, and I left the office without Gabby Dakun acknowledging my presence, without Gabby Dakun even don't know why I came there. Until as I was leaving, I was asking so many questions. Niameti ewo abonting the kind of hatred that only Gabby Dakun. I can say people hate him with passion. What would have been the reason? And the reason was found on Friday. For somebody that is a colleague lawyer, Ampaw, and you don't know the reason, and for 2 hours sat there with humility. You were told that lawyer Ampaw was around. Courtesy, respect, and how Blást say, acknowledge the person's presence. Tell the person that you are busy. Tell the person that he can come back. But nothing of that sort. Clearly shows, say, Gabby Dampare, you've hurt the party. And you have hurt a lot of party members by your conduct, your actions, and your relationship. And that is why you are paying dearly. That's why the hatred is becoming too much. And MPP will not suffer for such behavior and conduct. Such arrogant stand. No. MPP party will not suffer. But you carry it, it will follow you, Gabby. I'm telling you. I'm looking into your face and I'm telling you, say, MPP will never carry this cross to the party and to Bawumia Campaign. Into me jina party na name. SLB Biara, Gabby conduct, Gabby actions, Gabby relationship are affecting one way or another in terms of the arrogant posture. Yem wadie, yem budipa, na je, na hantain, na no kufio, yem wadie posture no. Are affecting no. Mr. Me share Gabby we bufu. Because before God the man we papa Gabby papa one share to aba. More man can't Gabby and munya Gabby in it one way or the other. I had him a step on the tone. Please, for the sake of the party. Me or the ayame. Intimate with their channel. But me share that YouTube platform. Person trendy. And person trendy but person YouTube platform no. And was you know be on what platform we until what they know they share ho a e be an Gabby enti no to aba mesrew Gabby e ba kope is leaving the scene we dey adwuma but the ye ni su ni ban be di ni chi ni su ni ban be di ni chi and so for say he has made it in life. He doesn't need anybody. The arrogant posture, he will continue with it. But the consequence will be that people will reject you, Gabby, if you don't turn a new leaf. In fact, this posture of yours, you know, you will end up suffering a lot when you leave office. But someone who say, about the stage, you know, your own party people, when they meet you, they don't want even to have anything with you. Mr. Ampaw, this conduct of yours has never. Look, there is no way out. Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia, when my wife died, my wife, a weird. Dr. Bawumia with the humility man to himself anybody in the party. Because I'm not a cabinet member of the party. But I've done a lot for the party. My wife is Buyeno. I didn't invite anybody. But Dr. Bawumia remembered Layamo Sampa contribution. And needing me, so at least me Twaba called me, no console me, and establish a relationship with my twins now. And the humility that Dr. Bawumia invited me to Blást house, the office, or embrace, or say, oh my, yeah, what two name money trap pictures, no shame cry, nana ho brasier, Gabby, Dr. Bawumia also penny, or when you nyam chenwo. While rising channel, the vice president can tolerate somebody like me. Then you, I don't know how you look. The way you sir, are you a thing God or you are above, and you can show disrespect to Layamo Ampaw and the many people who have interacted with you, and if I open the phone lines right now, people have a lot of bad testimony about that conduct. They don't think that you own Assassin Radio and so what. Look, you have Gabby, Usubai ne affecting a lot of people. And then a lot of people are thinking of not voting, not because Bawumia have helped them, but because of you. But I am using this platform. So be Biara Gabby or Chidako when I say Bediatuo. Actions are affecting. Please, let me bygone be bygone. They should carry the world as reasonable swa. No munde kabinsem. But ni by check the way dimia. Na MPP for you share the greater picture. Bawumia ba with the humility of Bawumia. He will be a father for all. Obey embrace will be the Bawumia that I know. Does not discriminate. Respect everybody and want to see everybody. And this is the man I say MPP for. You follow no. You enjoy the past behind us. The Gabby Musubai ni bidio go Musubai no. Suban funa womo hono ya. Ye fanye juma. But Gabby, I just want to put it on notice that you pay dearly for this misconduct and misbehavior and arrogant posture. It will not take you far. You will not get it anywhere in life. There are so many years ahead of you. But if you don't change and continue with this arrogant posture, some of us will not even come to your defense when you are out of office. But what NDC and the apparatus want to do to you, whether Bawumia wins or doesn't win, we will not come to your defense, because some of us we have come to a conclusion that the arrogance and the general adorso, and some of you have affected Addo. And also on your drain, Addo is so open to everybody. And that is why some of us ukwachibi and nekwachibi na chima ye kabidi tone ene Gabby munsema nye bon makasa mu nom ho Gabby Bediatuo we ofere say ene we frata edokwapo ni muntem say mitumu say achimfo bi musuban yo mu nom ho say na mo ye we look at how. And if this is the attitude, but listen to me, achieve for yentesao, achieve for yenode for, name fi kukwen to me. Chebi hine, or ware me ants, se Gabby unima. Chebi hine ne ants ne yeme yere ants. And me massive efi, chebi Gabby dankwa. Or what I say, hey, if you're monochrome. My father was my grandpa was Ampem Darko, the chief or former chief of monochrome. Ofi Kukofu. Now my mother's side. Efi of when I say Chebi Ekurabiase. Ain't you know? Yes, sir. Every before. Ya Gabby. Any Bediatuo ya ama man for ebu efu omo. Na me makasa makwa experience bi. And but me who say one of those things in life. Ain't you know? Me dia channel. One so sad and person with the channel. After in life, no, we will hate each other. And who kumwa and ye bibi kakrebia and be jai me jai. Obi odoku obi ano. No matter obi bibe obi no. Into me po obi a and why me said Owusu be paye no and now mo ye we no jai. They are not people who you can be trusted. Obi ene obisa do yemu, oh my friend, and often say we mo people like often say Alache. No. When you love MPP, whether good or bad, you stay in the party. You see, I'll stay there and fight Gabby than to leave the party. Me nye propaganda against the party. No, my dead body. Gabby nipa bako pe oko. The vote here bako. But nipa do na what hurt some by the behavior, it be the business dealings, the relationship with party members, leadership, food soldiers, friends and cronies are hurt some. Please let's forgive Gabby. Any animal. Now let's move on.
You're waiting for waiting and some lawyer Morris Compound. Some of the two fire the due to a route to and some captain's man and some of Wakaye. Saso ena watisi Gabby asare otchere ko de kokobon se mama no na wada insabdo go na ra edi beka ho se jisi ni so ena wo hwe no so we subscribe ya pomodi ase over subscribe to channel sanse hadie latest and hot news nkwa ena me de bremo afu ya na like the video na fi share ma offer so na when you be here na wo ku en sama ko so e wo ga na me mo no so betimi a kire wadin fa yen se wo nyina ho e wo comment box ni in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.